Welcome to Asesso Health. We are so excited to work with you on your journey to a healthier and happier life. I'm going to walk you through what to expect when you receive your Asesso Health Complete Wellness Solution Kit, how to connect to the app, and how to get started.
Inside your kit, you will receive everything you need to get started with Asesso. It includes a smart dock, a cheek sensor, your grind guard, charging cable, and facial tape.
Before we get connected, let's make sure, if you haven't done so already, that you have downloaded the Asesso app on your phone and created an account.
To get started, you want to open the smart dock and remove the cheek sensor from the plastic it came in and place the sensor back on the port. Remember, when doing so, you want to align the 3 pins to those on the dock to ensure the sensor is connected correctly.
You will then take the charging cord included in your kit, connect it to the back of the dock, and make sure it gets at least a 4-hour charge before it's ready to use. Once your sensor is charged and ready to go, you will want to pair it using your app. You will see a flashing blue light on the sensor which indicates it's in Bluetooth pair mode. If you wear an Apple Watch or another fitness tracker to track your sleep, we ask that you please take a moment in the Asesso app to give permission to read your sleep data. Go to Profile, Connected Apps, and follow the simple instructions to connect your accounts.
Now you are ready to get started. Remove the sensor from its dock and use the provided facial tape to secure it to the outside of your cheek. Position just on top of your masseter muscle. To find the ideal spot, use your fingers to feel the muscle as you gently clench your jaw. This ensures accurate placement for optimal results. For the first 3 nights, we will be establishing your baseline. So all the data collected will be without your grind guard and only the cheek sensor.
In the morning, you will want to remove the sensor by carefully peeling back the tape and placing the sensor right back into the dock. You should see the sensor light blink blue, indicating the sensor is ready to sync your grind data. You will then open your Asesso app to ensure your grind data properly syncs. On the app, you will see a progress bar spinning while your data is syncing. This should only take about 1 to 2 minutes, but please be sure to keep your phone nearby when you are in sync mode. You will receive an alert once your grind data has been successfully synced. After we have established your baseline, we will repeat the previous steps, but this time you will add in your grind guard. Wear your grind guard with the chin sensor for the next 7 nights, repeating the morning routine to sync the data to the app. Each morning, before placing your grind guard back in the dock, it is important to wash, clean, and dry your guard. When placing your guard into the dock, a UV light will automatically come on to sanitize your guard and ensure it stays clean and ready to use. Once we've established your baseline data, we ask that you continue to wear your grind guard every night to ensure you are getting your best night's sleep and alleviating the symptoms caused by grinding. While we can't take your grinding habit away, we can help you reduce the symptoms it causes, like migraines, jaw pain, tinnitus, and ensure a better night's sleep while using our product. If you'd like to continue to monitor your progress, you can do so by continuing to wear the sensor to check your grind scores. Thank you so much for allowing us to help you get your best night's sleep and get you to the healthier life you want without those nasty symptoms caused by grinding.